Hi YouTube, 217. We're back. We're doing more 07 Premier Baseball. My favorite baseball product ever. We're doing 5 boxes at a time tonight. This is our first 5 boxes of the case. We're going to try and do another break after this and do the other 5 boxes. Hopefully we can get some of those packs. Yeah, first pack we'll have 2 patch cards. Gotta love it when you get the 2 patch cards in one pack. Right off the bat, a guy that I see quite often in this product on the back, and we'll see him when we get there. But first, for the Red Sox, we got a Jimmy Fox at a 99 base. Second, our autograph for the Tigers, Gary Sheffield, number 31 at 86, newest member of the 500 Home Run Club. Chef for the Tigers. Put the autos over here. Then our rookie out of 99 is Glenn Perkins for the Twins. Our manufacturer patch is for the Brewers of Robin Yount, number 3 of 35. Our jersey card. Oh wow. I'm only saying this because I know it's coming. For the Reds, we got a triple game used of Johnny Bench. Real nice for the Reds. 3-piece jersey. Our first patch card of this pack is for the White Sox. You know Renroy didn't like his team, but here you go, triple patch, a Jim Thome out of 91. And the second, there it is, 15 of 25 dual patch auto, Johnny Bench. Really sick card. That goes to allstarsports 777, who drew the Reds. Johnny Bench, real sick. Great way to start the 5 boxes right there. That's how you want to start her off. Congrats to the Reds. Hit twice in the first box. Alright, box 2. Pack also looks like it's going to have a second patch card. Making dreams come true tonight. Making dreams come true. Alright. On top for the Astros, we got Brad Lidge at a 99. Our auto for the Cardinals, Scott Rowland, 44 of 97. Nice Rowland auto there. So far, auto's pretty good. Sheffield, Rowland, and Johnny Bench. And our rookie is Eric Stoltz for the Dodgers at a 199, who's turning out to have a pretty decent year so far. Well, who knows? Maybe one day that thing will be worth something. Stoltz for the Dodgers. Manufacturer patch is a dual of the Iron Men, number 5 of 10, Lou Gehrig and Cal Ripken Jr., so Yankees and Orioles on that one. Also for the Dodgers, real nice, number 36 of 39, a quad jersey of Roy Campanella. Second Dodgers card, there you go. It's a nice hit for the Dodgers. All-Star Sports has Dodgers too. Just cleaning up, Dodgers and Reds. Look at that one. Sick. First patch It's for the Mets. Real nice dual patch of Tom Glavine, 4 color and 1 color, out of 75. Mets is bigding. And the second card, second patch, sick. For the Cubs, Ryan Sandberg, 2 color, 3 color, out of 75. Alright, that's boxes 1 and 2. Still 3 boxes to go.